Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to change your Facebook email address. So this is the most up-to-date method as of filming in 2021. If you do find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So what we're going to do is open up a new browser and come to facebook.com. And to change this, all you need to do is, once you're logged in, you want to go and click onto the down arrow up here in the top right hand corner, and then come down to settings and privacy, and then you want to go ahead and click onto settings. So from here, this is going to take you to your account information page. What you want to do, if you're not already, you want to make sure you clicked onto General, which is here in the menu on the left hand side. And you'll see, if you scroll down slightly, you've got Contact, and then it says Primary, and then it should have your email address. And to change this, all you want to do is click the blue edit link, which is next to the email address. And then what you're going to do is just basically click where it says add another email or mobile number. And then what you can do is enter another email address. Like so. And then just go and click the add button down here. And then what's going to happen is going to ask you to enter your password, just as a security check. And then once that's done, what's going to happen, you're going to get an email sent through to the email address you added. So what you want to do is just go and confirm that. So what I'm going to do is just log into that email address from my phone. So once you open up the email, there's two ways to confirm your email address, and what you can do is click the blue confirm button in the email. Or what you can also do is there should be a confirmation code, so you can go ahead and click confirm on your laptop or PC here, and then it's going to ask you to enter that code. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter the code in, then click OK. Then what's going to happen is just going to take a second or two to confirm that. And you can see that's come up saying confirmation successful, so I'm just going to go ahead and hit the close button. And you'll see what's happened. That's now defaulted it. That's actually a primary email address for myself now. And if I want, I can now remove the other email address, my older email address. I can also make that back to the primary email address and have that as a secondary. And you can add multiple emails as well. But yeah, that's basically how you do it. So I hope you did find that helpful. And if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. And if you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.